Hey yo, what's up dudes? It's me, Nate, from Boston Weather Dudes. A lot of people ain't out on the streets right now, and you can't help but wonder, is this just because there's a coronavirus pandemic going down? Or like, is it because it's snowing at the end of March, yo? It's nuts. This is like, there's birds chirping. They already came back from Miami and shit. Damn, dude's got a little quick shed in the back. Lucky. So, tried to get together a team to do some reporting. Young Long wasn't available, so tried calling Tom. He's working on the pandemic down in New York City. Don Gino is one of those tech peeps, so he can fucking actually just work from home and actually work. But for me to work from home, it wouldn't really be working, it would just be pretend. So gotta get out here for the viewers, show you guys what's up. Let's bundle up. Let's go! Oh, damn, yo. Dogs be going stir crazy up in this. Back here behind Pinky's Pizzeria. I don't know if you guys have ever been back here or ever wondered like how it's like back here, but this is it. Fucking flurry of action over at Pinky's, yo. They're probably getting mad orders, dude. You know, a lot of businesses are struggling right now. Pinky's is going straight to the top. Get up, get up, get up, get up. And damn, yo, someone's smoking a whole carton of butts. Oh, dog! That guy was ripping mobs. Fucker leaves his car running right outside the store like a true OG. That's tight. Homeboy's got his fucking skiing goggles on just for running, dude. That's a novel use for those. Or maybe he's trying to keep himself from getting corona in his eyes. Sometimes it's hard to tell with these little small shops because like the workers don't always wear any kind of uniform. They just like, you know, dude's got like fucking sweatpants and a goddamn t-shirt or a fucking wife beater, and you're like, do you work here? And the guy gets pissed off. He's like, no, I don't. Oh, fuck no. Yo, straight up, like, everybody knows the order has been no motherfucking beauty shit, no nail salons, no motherfucking doing your perm or your fucking curls or your hair did or whatever the fuck you want to call it, dude, because what? That's part of the quarantine, yo. And that's called being selfish, alright? And like, that's fucked up, yo. That's the kind of shit that's gonna get us all fucking murked, yo. Shut that shit down, alright? Anybody got a line into the mayor? Tell him to come down and fuck they bitch ass up. Or what is it, a woman? Yeah, call her. Damn, yo, what do you got? Shit fucked up on your back? That's too bad, yo. These chiropractors respecting the quarantine, you heard? Like, you could just come right over here and be like, oh, matter of fact, I do have some whiplash. Hey, yo. While y'all motherfuckers are all home, cozy, and snug up in your warm, tight crib, practicing your beatboxing, I be out here. Matter of fact, yo. Guap. You always wonder, like, with signs like this, said no outlet, like, is it really true? They did a pretty good job on this one. And the thing about duplexes is, you know, these people don't actually own the full land, so no one actually gives a fuck. Uh-oh, fence is pretty fucking rickety. Well, so am I. So fucking. Oh! No outlet, my fucking asshole. Oh wow, thanks locals. I got nothing but respect for Leo's hair. All right, you guys shutting down, respecting the quarantine, just being legit. All right, once this shit passes, I want y'all to call my boy Leo right there, 617-623-4309. That's what you do. I'll be honest with you guys. When I told you about the issue with taking off my glove to operate the camera, that is still ongoing. Even though I have my glove back on now, it's pretty cold, like towards the very tip of the digit. It hurts. You know, I'm not one to like whine or complain, but I'm just saying, whew, hand's pretty cold from operating the camera. I would prefer nothing more than to run up into Bob's Italian Foods right there and fucking nab up myself a meatball sub, an Italian sub, and a chicken parm sub. Maybe even a fucking steak tip sub. But I'm not, because why? It's like me, the whole Boston Weather Dudes crew, and our boy Leo. Leo's hair was good. Respect that motherfucking quarantine. Boston Weather Dudes out. Like, dude, the thing about Boston Weather Dudes, we bring you the best fucking content. Everybody, yeah, everybody knows it.